Pipik. Lapang Sopri modern traditional. Lapang Sopri Rema traditional. Okay, formally another lagi channel over, please. Give a big round of applause. Lagi Japanese address lama dia. Pilih one. Lapang Sopri modern traditional. This is the time. Priyanka Company. Then it will be followed by next. This is the Rema traditional attire by Mirmili Therapy. I'm not sure if tolong for Sony Antigen. This is Thai. Thailand atau Thailand. Kali itu lepas shopping day. Jadi Allah. By Sony Antigen next. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, now you can witness this is Pickpock Funky by Valentina Rompipi. Alangi hello, Valentina Rompipi, alangi apindeng lagi Pickpock Funky. Lapang Sopri lagi bold traditional attire by Ministry Therapy. Alangi Ministry Therapy love. Next, it will be followed by modern Kirby dresses by Generally Ramparty. Alali Kirby modern dress like a Generally Ramparty band. I want to take on the West Me Kanchopi like a modern dress. Modern dress. Please, everybody, give a big round of applause. Richard Eruta, Donale. Langilma. Okay. Betulan up. So, sis Anjana baby, alang ke modern Pickpock Cardigan. Modern Pickpock P dulu sudah pulau. Pickpock makin dulu. Next. SNS traditional attire by Pranjat TV. Then we will get SMS attire. The next, this is the traditional Sibu Kidok, Sarika Romanti. Adam Drew, Rui Therapy developed Manipuri traditional attire. For Kurumili Hansepi Khasi traditional attire. Kurumili Hansepi alali ke Khasi apinde mara traditional apya kita perlu. Please everybody give a big round of applause. Don't be retarded. Langit pik loh ah, gak Oke.